Hi everyone, welcome to English with me. I'm Mr. Erik. Today we're going to talk about a football day. This is a writing practice CEFR level A2. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box. And this way, you can learn some new words about the topic we're going to write today, as well as to learn and write good sentences. Part 1. Understand the question or the story. Picture 1. Bright and sunny. You can see it is bright and sunny, a very good weather. Picture 2. Football jersey. You need football jersey when you're going to have a football game with your friend. And picture 3. A boy is playing football with his friends. As you can see, we're going to write a short story about this picture, about these 3 pictures, which a boy is going to have a football game with his friends. Part 2. Vocabulary. Before we start writing this story, we will need to learn and know some words about this topic. Please open your mouth and repeat after me to practice your reading. Bright and sunny. Bright and sunny. You can say a very good weather, a very good day, a sunny day. Perfect day. Perfect day. A very good day for you to do something, a perfect day. Outdoor activities. Outdoor activities. The activities, the things you do outside your house with your friends. Gather. Gather. When you gather your friends, means you're going to do something with your friends together. Closest friends. Closest friends, which are your best friends, that you do things and you see them all the time. Hurriedly. Hurriedly. When you're late for school and you need to be fast, so you leave your house hurriedly. Put on. Put on. When you put something on, which means you're going to wear it. Football jersey. Football jersey. Excitement and laughter. Excitement and laughter. You are very happy, you are excited, and you laugh when you have a game with your friend. Exhausted. Exhausted. Very tired and sleepy after doing something for long hours. Joyful. Joyful, which means you are very happy. You are joyful. You are happy. Satisfied. Satisfied, you pleased and happy about something. Have a wheel of time. Have a wheel of time. When someone has a wheel of time, which means he is having a great day. Part 3. Understand the story with words. Before we start writing, we need to understand the story with the help of the words. Bright and sunny, Sunday morning, the perfect day to do outdoor activities. So picture 1, we're going to use these words to make a short story about the things you see. Picture 2, football jersey. Yes. So decided, gather, closest friends, football game, left for field hurriedly, putting on football jersey. Someone is going to have a football game with his friends and he left hurriedly after putting on a football jersey. And picture 3, excitement and laughter. They enjoyed themselves very much playing football. It was time to go home. How did they feel? Exhausted, but they very happy, satisfied, had a wheel of time. Part 4. Now it's time for us to write a complete essay. Please pause the video and practice yourself before you continue watching the video. You can download this worksheet for free. You can find the link in the description box. Now you have done. Please check together. So sentence 1, we're going to say bright sunny Sunday morning. And sentence 2, we're going to write perfect day, do outdoor activities. There are 2 sentences in paragraph 1 in picture 1. It was a bright and sunny, what day again? Sunday morning. And it is very perfect. It was a perfect day. Why? To do some outdoor activities. A very good weather day that you can do something with your friends outside the house, outdoor activities. Picture 2. The first sentence, we're going to use these 4 words. Decided, gather, closest friends, and football game. And the sentence 2, hurriedly, putting on, and football jersey. We're going to write 2 sentences for picture 2. A boy, Asian, or anyone you like, decided to gather, who together, closest friends, best friends. Why? For a football game. They're going to play football. And sentence 2, he left for the field. He was going to the field hurriedly after putting on his football jersey. You need to put on your football jersey before you start the game. And now we go to the last one. We're going to have more and long sentences for this picture. So sentence 1, we're going to say excitement, laughter, and playing football. Sentence 2, go home. Sentence 3, how do they feel? Exhausted, tired, and happy. Number 4, sentence 4, feeling satisfied. And the last sentence, which is they enjoyed themselves very much, had a wheel of time. We're going to have 5 sentences in this picture. Sentence 1, the air was with excitement and laughter. They are very happy and they laugh as Jason and his friends were playing football. So playing football will make them happy. Sentence 2, soon it was time to go home. Everyone was, how did they feel? They felt everyone was exhausted but joyful, very happy. They left the field feeling satisfied. They pleased and happy about the things that did, which is they play football with their friends. And the last sentence, did they have a very good day? Yes, they enjoyed themselves very much. So we're going to say they had a wheel of time. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And at the same time, please share this video with your friends and let them know more about this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.